Do you actually want a glowing, firm skin without chemicals? Then this video is for you and I would love you to watch it to the end. I will show you how to make a powerful anti-aging herbal soup using natural ingredients that help reduce wrinkle, fine lines and dull skin. This herbal soup recipe works for fine lines around the eyes and the mouth, sagging or dull skin, sun damaged skin, and it's safe and natural. It works for all skin types. It's great for face and body. It can also be sold commercially. Hello everyone, I am glad that we are back with another tutorial on herbal soaps. Okay, put your eye on the screen. I'm listing the ingredients I'm using and their quantities. If today or this video is the first video you're watching here, or today is your first time coming across any of my video or my channel, please do well to engage, do well to like, do well to comment, share, so that it can get to other skincare or herbal soap enthusiasts and or those that want to sell it for business or use it for their skin conditions. Okay, so these are the herbs I am using. Okay, this is a powerful anti-aging herbal soap. All these herbal soaps I'm teaching you here, it's what I am selling, and they keep bringing customers back to me, and customers are bringing customers that are bringing customers to me. So don't ever take any of this herbal soap series for granted. Don't ever take it for a joke. Please be serious with it. If you want to start selling herbal soap and you want to start making money by yourself, please, this is the series or the recipes you will need. I will recommend for you. Okay, the reason why I did it in series is so that if you don't have people that have this skin condition, you have people that have the other skin condition. Okay, be it body odor, be it dull skin, be it age skin, be it yeah, baby sensitive skin. Okay, this herbal soap series will answer all your problems. Okay, so this is my fragrance I'm using. You can use any fragrance of your choice, any fragrance that, if you don't know any fragrance you will use, or you have many of them, or you don't know the one that you can use, to tag this particular soup, just chat me on WhatsApp. Chat this number you are seeing on the screen on WhatsApp, and you tell me the type of soups you are making, and I will suggest fragrances that will suit that particular soup. Okay, so this is my water. I measured my water and I added my caustic soda to it. Remember, don't add water to caustic soda. It's caustic soda to water. Then this is me stirring it. I will stir, then keep it aside. This time around we are not making cold process. Okay, we are going to use the caustic soda as the hot. Okay, and please always make sure you protect your skin. Wear your protective gears, your hand glove. You cover your nose if possible. Wear a long shirt or a long cloth that will cover all your skin. Okay, to avoid any of this chemical or any of the or the caustic soda splashing on you. Okay, or the hot soup batter. So I've added my oils, and I'm adding in the caustic soda I dissolved into the oil. I didn't warm the oil. Take note, I didn't warm the oil. I just measured the oils and added the caustic soda into it, because the caustic soda is already hot, so it's going to help me warm up the oil in the bowl, and as well heat the mixture, the caustic soda and the oil, heat it up. Then it will also make it gel, like cook it for me. Okay, this is semi cooking. All right, they also call it semi hot, because you don't use direct heat or direct fire to cook it. You use the heat from the caustic soda solution to cook the soup, to bring the soup to a gel point. Do you understand it? Okay, please don't forget, if you have any other question, any question at all you want to ask regarding this herbal soup series or any other videos, but please make sure that when you're asking the question, ask the question in the right place. Not you want to ask question on baby powder, you're asking it in the herbal soup series. It's not proper. Okay, please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment. Please comment. Your comments give me courage to share more information to you, or to give you free information. Okay, and when you share, other people will get to see and learn also from you, especially in this herbal soup series. like I said, don't take it for a joke. Don't take it for granted. Okay, because this is what I'm selling. I'm not even supposed to be teaching it for free, but I'm just selling it because I've seen a lot of skin conditions lately, and it's alarming. Okay, so and a lot of people in this community would also want to learn. So as you see, I covered the soap to allow it to gel. Now the time your soap takes to gel is dependent on the type of or types of oils you are using, okay, the quantity you are making, and the temperature at which you are making that soap at that moment. Okay, that will determine how long, okay, the soap will take to gel. Like this particular one take about 5 to 7 minutes to gel. All right, so the soap has gel. Can you see it's like a cooked batter? Do you see it's like a cooked batter? So I'll give it a good mix it very, very well. Then I'll add my herbs and my perfume or fragrance. Then I'll mix again and pour into the mold. Isn't it very simple to make? It is very simple, yes. Some may say, hey, because I'm the one making it. Yes, because I'm the one making it, because I've been making it for years. So it's nothing to me to make. So very soon, you too, making any type of skin condition soap will not be a problem to you when you get used to it. Okay, so some people may also ask, but these ingredients you're using here, they are not really for anti-aging. Okay, but this is what I sell. Now the reason why I use mostly or 100% herb is because children can use this soap, a teenager can use this soap, adults can use this soap. So it's safe for all skin type and all skin and all ages. Okay, this is not a type of soap that you say that a child cannot use. There are other herbal anti-aging soaps that teenagers can use. There are other anti-aging soap that adults can, that's suitable for adults. Why are they like that? Because of the type of ingredients used. But this particular one is purely 100% herbal anti-aging soap. So I've given it a good mix. Then this is me pouring it into the mold. Please, if you love this video, give me my flowers in the comment section. So I will leave it to the next day before cutting it. You can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave it till the next day, but make sure that before you cut it, make sure that it's hard. Even within 8 to 10 hours, this soap will get hard. Then you cut it. Then you cure. You cure it. That is leaving it for it to harden up more. But trust me, anytime I make this type of soap, I'm using it immediately. I'm selling it. If I have people that want to buy, I'm selling it immediately. If I have people outside Lagos that want to buy outside my area, I'm sending it to them immediately because it is safe to you, because the soap has already been saponified or been cooked. Okay, so you can leave yours to cure for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. All right, so that is it. Hope you like it. If you enjoyed it, please give me my flowers in the comment section. So this is me. You may not use a cutter. If you're starting new, you can buy this silicone mold or meet a carpenter to construct a mold for you. Then you line it with a nylon. Then after molding your soap, you cut it with your knife. Make sure that your hand is straight to get a straight cutting of, like, to have a uniform size of all the soaps. Then you can sell or you can use. Okay, if you don't know how to start marketing, comment in the comment section. I will help you. If you don't know how to package, comment in the comment section. I will help you. But trust me, if you have been to my store, to my workshop, you see that I don't package my soap to sell. I sell it naked. I sell it naked because I don't want the situation whereby I will just start, giving people high a high value when they cannot pay. All right, I sell it naked. If you want to buy, I put it in a transparent nylon for you. I'll put my label. Sometimes I just sell it in black nylon and give to the person. Okay, what they are after is what the soap is doing on their skin, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't package if you have the availability to package your soap, because good packaging also sells your soap. Thanks everyone for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next herbal soap series. Be safe wherever you are, and bye for now.